constructed a 300 square foot tiny house. I researched features to make this an energy efficient net zero home. We made plans and a scale model. The basement is on geofoam and has an insulated concrete foundation. I started to put in the floor and make stairs. We got free flooring samples from Home Depot. We got tile, carpet, and wood flooring. We made our own insulation. There's a foot of rigid foam outside the timber framing. At the same time, we started building our windows. This is the zip system. It's plywood that's a water barrier for the outside of the house. We made our own and super sealed our house. We put lights in the house. We installed them through the loft floor and we taped them, and it really made the house look more real. G.I. Joe guys are about 3.5 inches tall, so they'd be 3.5 feet, the size of a small child. Making the working sliding door was one of my favorite parts of the project. We used thin plywood as our final siding. Measuring out where the windows and doors would go was my least favorite part of this project. We started framing out and fitting in the back porch. We made a super insulated, super sealed roof. We left spaces under the final metal roof to keep it cold. We put solar panels on the back porch, which faces south. Solar panels power the heat pump, which heats and cools the house. This is my finished tiny house. I presented it at school and was even able to visit a real net zero house.